Om Namah Shivaya, Om Namah Shivaya, Om Namah Shivaya. Here you are seeing extremely unbelievable miracle, totally unbelievable miracle. You can see clear face of Ujjain Kala BHAIRAVA. See Ujjain Kala BHAIRAVA in this conch. You can see two eyes, nose, mouth. Clear image of Ujjain Kala BHAIRAVA in this conch. And here you can see clear is Kala BHAIRAVA Vangalan dog in this conch. See, totally unbelievable miracle. This is more than diamond. This conch is more than diamond. Never you can see like this conch in your life again. See how beautiful it is. Clear image of Ujjain Kala BHAIRAVA and clear is Vangalan dog in this conch. Ultimately unbelievable. It's a beautiful conch collected from Indian Ocean. Totally unbelievable. How clear the image of Kala BHAIRAVA, Ujjain Kala BHAIRAVA and his Vangalan dog. Beautiful conch. It is from Indian Ocean. See image easily coming out. Ujjain Kala BHAIRAVA and his Vangalan dog. By having this conch with you, you will get ultimate power, ultimate protection. Such a wonderful conch. It is wonderful, unbelievable. What a clear image is it. You can see two eyes, nose, mouth of Ujjain Kala BHAIRAVA and his Vangalan dog very clear. Such a conch I never seen in my life. Never seen ever. This is only one piece. We will never get again like this. It's only one piece. We will never get like this. Such an amazing collection. It's amazing collection. This. Here one black mole is here. Om Namah Shivaya, Om Namah Shivaya, Om Namah Shivaya.